final call out is around culture, right? Because we talk a lot about, technical decisions. Should I have a database or this type of database or not? Should I do monitoring or not? What's my test-driven development? But it's really, if we want to do agile and DevOps and operate I guess in the modern world, the culture aspect should not be underestimated. We do want to make sure that first of all, back to our principle number 6, we have cohesive teams that can operate with each other. They trust each other. They collectively make the architectural decisions. Again, taking a step back, we did say the unit of work of software architecture is the architectural decision. That is quite important. But it is not, the way we write it is that the architect's role is not to make the decisions. It makes sure the decisions are made, right? So if you're someone wearing the hat of a software architect, it doesn't mean you are the person that knows all and knows everything and gets it done. It actually means that you could work with the team and make sure that the team collectively makes the right decisions. It doesn't mean that a person can't be an expert in certain things, and certain people are more trusted to make certain decisions versus others. But that's quite important. So the concept of a multidisciplinary team and everyone working culturally together to behind going back to principle 1, a software product. You really have to believe as a team that you have a common goal, you're achieving a common thing, and you don't have separate viewpoints. So it doesn't mean it's not like I have a software developer here and a DevOps person, and all that the software developer does is focus on writing code as quickly and as efficiently as he can or she, and then you don't have the DevOps person who's only worried about how do I get my deployment pipelines implemented, and how do I make sure that I keep a stable production environment going, right? They're not, collectively everyone is accountable for the same thing. And actually a good way of working around it is actually for people to change their roles and take different hats on if the skill base allows. So that I think the cultural aspect is quite important.